This is the full flip through of the fall journal. She is done and she will be ready to be shipped out when she goes for auction. It will be an elite, the link, it will be down in the description for the auction for her. This is the outside, and she will also be accompanied by a hand poured candle that was actually done last night. In previous video I had shown a different kind of a container, but decided to go with this more vintage, sourced from Goodwill container that I thought was very unique. Smells very good, very fallish, very woodsy, nice clean smell. So getting into her, the cover, used botanicals. It's a mix between more of a whimsical and, you know, that more botanical, elegant style. The closure is a ribbon and ties. The first tuck pocket, the journaling card trimmed in lace. Most everything comes out in these journals. There's a tuck pocket here that has little journaling cards. These all can be removed and written on the back of them. Sometimes it's easier to journal small spaces instead of looking at a large notebook that it may be intimidating. So writing it on small spaces. This one, I love the owls. Again, this is made out of a paper bag. Previous video shows how I put it together. These can all be journaled on, and sometimes it's just cute to have cute things. Little tags and other areas that you can write on. These come out and can be journaled on. These are rather thick, but both can be journaled on. You can also add things to this, like memories, tickets, you know, whatever you're doing for the fall that you enjoy can be added into this. This one has a tuck pocket in the center with a little notebook made from a card. And just covered again, these can pull out. These are the more whimsical things, and they can be journaled on in the back. Rub-on stickers and all sorts of really cute things. And again, you can add things into these little tuck pockets of your own. This one has all these pull-outs that will actually be journaled on and written on. Some of this is coffee stained paper. It's written on the back. Everything is just about inked and all sorts of things, more of these little cards. Sometimes it's just cute, sometimes it is, you know, providing you a space. This little bird's nest I thought was such a cute idea. All these little birds come out and you can journal on the back of them. Again, you can add your own things in here. On this page, this one actually flips out. I made this a little bit different. All of these little cards can come out and be journaled on the back. This flips out. I added some lace last evening, and then this comes out here and can be written on. And you have a tag stamped. All these pull out and can be written on. This looks like a weathered journal. On this page, this is a tuck. There's a tuck pocket here with a little sideways notebook laid out to where you can journal on the back as well. These pull out and can be journaled on. There's 3 of them. Inside, a full journaling paper, as well as journaling spaces here and here. Sometimes writing things down, memories and things that bother you, sometimes can be intimidating, and having a fun and sweet place to do it that is pretty can help with that. And then this card pulls out. Journaling on the back, journaling down here. A little statement about gratitude. Sliding down into this pocket. Then over here we have a corner bookmark. There's a button on this side, and then because it's on a different page, there's a different button on that side. This opens and slides down and out, so it keeps your little page. Slide this, there's another tuck pocket here that can have something added to it, and then a tag here that can be journaled on. And this just slides right back on here like so. And then moving forward, we have cute little girls. These are actually stickers that anyone can use in their area. Little tag, the button on it, another little tag with ribbons. Ribbons and buttons galore. On this side, this is a tuck space right here, botanicals, ribbons, buttons, little notebook, butterflies. Slid in there. And this pocket is actually fairly full. We have a little notebook card here. This is a hidden paper clip and just slides over. Coffee stained paper tucked in here and then secured with your little hidden paper clip. There's a tag. And then a little flat notebook. And again, all of this is sliding into a tuck pocket back here that you can actually add more to if you so needed to, or desired to, or whatever you wanted to do. And then one of the cutest ideas, this was a bracelet that was found at Goodwill. And then I had had this for years. This has the clasps from this were glued on here with the back of it coming here. Just a little notebook that's inside a tiny little jean jacket. And it can be popped right back onto there. Little journaling cards down here with a tuck pocket. And the last page, a long tuck pocket, pumpkin patch embellishments, and then a tuck pocket here. Secured with a little embellishment at the back. So this is the end of the fall journal.